Welcome to this tutorial for the SONOFF SenseGuard Motion Gen 2 Zigbee Motion Sensor SNZB-03PR2. In this video, we'll guide you through the device setup, installation, and recommended placement for the best performance. Inside the box, you'll find the SNZB-03PR2, screws, wall anchors, 3M adhesive tape, quick guide, placement tips. Rotate to open the device housing, then use a coin or another suitable tool to unscrew the battery cover. Remove the battery insulation tab to power on the device.
Then replace the battery cover, ensuring the notch is aligned correctly.
Use the eWeLink app to scan the device QR code, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. The device offers multiple installation options. Mount it using magnetic attachment. Secure it with the included 3M adhesive tape. Install it with the provided screws and wall anchors, or simply place it on a flat surface.
The device head attaches magnetically to the base and supports 360-degree adjustment. Located on the top of the device, the light sensor may provide different light intensity readings depending on the mounting angle. With a 120-degree detection angle, the device detects motion up to 6 meters away. Since PIR sensors detect motion through temperature changes, avoid installing it in areas with frequent pet activity, direct sunlight, or incandescent lamps, or near heat sources such as air conditioners and radiators.